So everyone, the title probably explains it a little bit, but yeah, I'm going full time on YouTube. I kind of wanted to create this video more so because I felt like I owed it to the subscribers of the actual channel, not so much as the, going viral or anything like that. But basically, over the last year and a half or so, it's been something that has just kind of been developing in the background, is probably the best way to put it. It got to the point where I feel like I can be full-time on YouTube, and I know that there is going to be some times where I'm probably going to really feel it, other times where it's going to be good. But I just want to do this. I really want to just, be doing all these things with cars all the time, living that dream. And yeah, even right now I'm working on the 32. That's a little bit of a video you guys will see in the near future. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. It's pretty also scary and stuff, but you'll see some of the content on the channel, some of the installs and stuff that I've done. They're backdated, but because of work and other commitments and stuff in life, I haven't been able to post those or edit those just yet. At the same time, there's all the new stuff that's coming out with all the new stuff that I am doing with cars. So the channel is continuously growing. I can't believe in January I did that video where, I did a little montage of all the videos that are coming out. And since then, there's been so much more that I've done, and, everything is just constantly changing, constantly growing. And I'm really excited for where this is leading me. And hopefully you guys will also enjoy everything that I'm going to be doing as well. So if there's any specific types of things that you want to see more from the channel, please just send me a message on Instagram, or leave it in the comments down below here. And yeah, it's like I said, it's exciting, it's pretty scary as well in some ways, but I feel like this is where I need to make that commitment leap now. If I don't do this, the E32 will never get finished, and the Skyline won't get where I need it to be, and everything else. There's too much going on. There's too many projects that I want to do, and hopefully I'll be able to fulfill those, and hopefully you all will enjoy the content. So if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber to the channel, hopefully you're enjoying all the good content that I'm trying to give out. I guess right now for me, it's more so like, okay, right, let's see what we can do for the car community. Let's see what good content I can get out there, and let's see what kind of fun we can have with cars. Because at the end of the day, honestly, with the amount of messages I get on Instagram in regards to installs and, actually doing the installs and everything else going on, this is just so much that I'm pretty much nowadays doing like 13-14 hours at least of work every single day. The rest time isn't really there, and I kind of feel bad that I'm not getting to spend a huge amount of time with family. So it's stuff that I do need to balance out and get better with, and figure it out basically. But it's awesome, and like I said, it's also scary. It's not something that I'm used to, but I can't ever say that I'm upset about it, because alhamdulillah, I am so grateful for the opportunity to be on YouTube and to be able to not just make an income from it, but to be able to try and push myself to go into it full time and enjoy it completely. Somehow or another, you've ended up on this channel where, it's all about cars and stuff. So I know you're going to be into cars in some way, shape or form. So let's have some fun. Let's get creative. Let's all, learn together, share experiences and stuff like that. And hopefully we can get this channel to where it should be, a nice, inspirational, motivational, and, encouraging channel where, you will also get to, learn new things and, maybe get creative with your own car projects as well. Also, let me know if you want to see more of like the day in the life of kind of related vlogs, and not just completely to do with how to do this, how to do that, and all those kind of things. Because if that is something that you guys might be interested in, because there's a lot of car stuff that I just end up not showing on YouTube because it's kind of, I struggle to think of how to put it into a video. So if that's something that you guys think might be interesting, then definitely let me know. I have to say, alhamdulillah, this is all thanks to the grace of God that I'm even in this place, in this situation. Everything that's happened in my life so far that's led me here, it's been amazing. It's been seriously a whirlwind, but I can't complain. It's gotten me here and it's pretty awesome. For now, everyone, I think I'm gonna call that an end to this video, and hopefully I will see you on another one. Keep safe, keep well, keep working on cars, and I'll catch you later. Bye.